This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. It's Wednesday, so let's just go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So the market is just consolidating. If you check here, you can see that. Let me try to go on a daily time frame. I just want to show you something. You can see that I have drawn everything here. You can see here the market, why I see the market is consolidating. Actually, we have this support here, so a resistance. It was a support here, a resistance, and even now it's a resistance. It's a very strong resistance actually, but you can see that the market is actually, you see how many bearish candlesticks? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is daily time frame, guys, and those candlesticks, they are not very clear. They just all over the place. So you don't see candles like this where the market is just going up or where the market is just going down. So what we can do here is avoid being in the market, because there's a possibility that the market can just shoot lower, you see, if we don't break this resistance. So that is how things are at the moment. Maybe the market can still push, but here there is also a very weak support. We can even go there. Let's go there. Let's start with 2 hours. On the 2-hour time frame, let's say auto. So we are here at the moment. So at the moment, it seems like the market is really respecting these areas. It means this is our now new support, because this is the third one here. So here it's a very strong resistance. So the market is just bouncing around here, guys. The market is just bouncing around here. So it means even here we can see the market going higher. Maybe after the market goes higher, we can see a breakout, or the market will just come back and go lower. So let me lower that. Let me lower this time frame so that you can see. So that's what I did here. I was just sending the analysis. Something like that. So it means here we are on a very like crazy area where we just waiting for the market whether to go up or to do something like this. So at the moment, I saw the treasury yield, the bonds, they were very high, but now it seems like they are going down. So it means the market can still push up, but remember, this is a strong resistance. The market maybe can break this, then we can call that a buy, you see. So from this, it's quite simple. We just waiting for only two structures that we want, whether the market will respect this area to go up, or maybe the market will break this area, or if it doesn't break, we'll wait for the market to go lower. But at my point here, what I just want the market to go lower so that we can have a nice time to buy, guys. Maybe we can have a very nice time to buy. Where can we buy? Here, you see, we have a very nice support here, guys. So that's why I want the market to go lower so that we can have a nice buy, you see. So from that, I think maybe you can understand whether the market will go lower. If it doesn't, maybe the market will just still play around here. Then after that, maybe we'll see the market breaking. So remember, on Friday we have NFP. We can see the market going crazy. The market can break these areas, this support. Maybe we can see the market pushing higher, maybe to 14,000, 14K. So something like that. So here on NASDAQ, I think maybe things, they're just simple as that. Wait for that breakout, or maybe for the market to go low. Breakout or breakout here, but I think here the market can still push higher, or maybe if it doesn't respect, we can see a breakout. If it does, we will see the market coming back again, trying to do something like this. Then I think that way it's how NASDAQ is. So let's go straight to US30 and see what's really happening there. So on US30, things are just like this. So I don't know if I sent the signal for this, but I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. So we had this breakout here. This it's a resistance. The market broke out here, came in retest, went back again. Now it's here. Now that's why I think maybe the market will just push higher. I think everything is just quite clear here. That's why I've drawn even this and now support. Yeah, it's a support where maybe we'll see the market creating something like that. But without that, you can see that the market was just easily on the resistance. Sorry, it was a resistance, now it's a support. So now we broke out. So what we expect, we just expect the market to go up. We just expect the market to go up. Why? Because we broken that resistance, which was very strong. Now this is our support. We think this is now a very strong support, you see. So I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you, unless if the market comes below this resistance, maybe we'll see the market, maybe it's heading lower. But the market has to break also this one, because this was also a support. The market has to break this resistance and push lower. Why? Because this is also a resistance. If maybe you did not check that, please go back, check my previous videos. You will just find everything that you want, you see. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget that. Don't forget to smash that like, share with your friends. So you can see this was a very nice support that we had, but here on the structure, this structure was just a wedge. We saw this breakout. Now we heading up. If that doesn't happen, maybe we'll see the market going lower, you see. So what can we do from here? We're just waiting for a very nice buy when you see something like this, because it's what we were waiting for. We waited for the market to break out. It means now we're just waiting for only buy orders, only for buy orders around that area. Or maybe we can see maybe something like an uptrend like this one, going up, doing something like this. So I don't think maybe there's much I can explain to you. Even if maybe you try to draw something like this, you will see that it does really make sense. It can create something like that, you see. So let's go straight to gold and see what's really happening over there. I don't really want to waste your time. So remember, when they say time is money, so I also have other things to do. But you know what, you are my priority, my first priority. Early in the morning I have to do this daily analysis, you see. So on gold, I think we did not trade gold, I think yesterday. No, we did not take any gold. So because we had something like this, so this is no longer making sense. We have to remove that. What do we do from here? We just have to check. Firstly, we check the trend. If maybe you are new on this channel, firstly check the trend. Check the trend. You heard me. Check the trend and see. Already you see that this is an uptrend, a very nice uptrend. So let's try to see if this really makes sense. Let's try. Start here, go back, go back, go back, go back. This thing really makes sense. You can see, even if I push back again, you can see this thing really makes sense. But I just want to leave it somewhere here. I can even push it higher again. So these things really help us to see that, okay, and now we are on an uptrend. You can see it's like diagonal, it's not like a straight, it's not horizontal. So you can see that, okay, actually the market is moving upwards. Even though that gold is overbought at the moment, I think it's very overbought. I'm not saying it's not going to go higher, but what I see is it's overbought. But here we have a very nice position, a setup where we can maybe have a nice buy. I think we just missed that, but I will check if maybe we can still able to take that, you see. If we can able to take that, then it's fine. You can see here, maybe the market will just go up. Why? Because we are on a very nice support. And let me just try and see if maybe on 15 minutes is still nice to take that. When it's like this, guys, if you just want to confirm if you can still enter, you can draw a resistant line and see if that the inner trend line is broken. If it's broken, you can take that buy. Why? Because everything will be confirming, because it will be respecting everything that you are doing. You see, let's do something like this. You see, if the market breaks here, it's where maybe you can wait for that small retest, then, or maybe when just say when the market closes above there is a resistance line, it's where you can take that buy, because now the market can come back, and because it's still respecting this resistance. If you just jump on the market just because it's on a support, you're going to have some trouble. So for you to enter, confirm with this resistance. If it's broken, it's where you can say it's either I'm just jumping in, or I'm waiting for a retest before I jump in. You see, you have two options. But now it means the market can still respect. If you draw something like this on a smaller time frame, actually it's still a downtrend, but on a bigger time frame we are still on an uptrend. The market can still come here, then bounce higher, sometimes retest before it can bounce higher. I think these things, if you follow, before you buy, you follow something like this, is going to be much easier. So I think I'll have to do a video about entries where you can just try to enter. You see, so if you are new here, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe. You see, so I'll meet you tomorrow on the next video. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. I hope you're having a good day. It's cold here. It's very cold. It's winter, obviously. So yeah, I'll meet you on the next one. Bye.